Windows 11 versus macOS Sonoma. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to demystify the perennial debate: Windows 11 versus macOS Sonoma. For anyone striving for peak productivity in the digital realm, choosing the right operating system is akin to a craftsman selecting their most vital tool. A seamless interface and efficient workflow can profoundly impact your daily output, much like a well-oiled machine operating at its prime. We will dissect their features, user experiences, and hidden nuances, providing you with the clarity needed to make an informed decision. This comparison isn't just about features, it's about empowering your work, one click at a time. Let's first dive into the robust world of Windows 11, a powerhouse renowned for its unparalleled hardware compatibility and gaming prowess. Imagine our digital office worker as a versatile chameleon, effortlessly adapting to any environment. Windows 11 offers that same flexibility, supporting an immense array of devices from budget-friendly laptops to high-performance workstations. Its open ecosystem fosters innovation, granting users a vast selection of software and peripheral options, which is a significant advantage for those who demand ultimate customization. For many, Windows represents the democratic choice, making powerful computing accessible to everyone, irrespective of their specific hardware needs. This widespread adaptability makes it a formidable contender for a diverse user base. Transitioning our gaze, we find macOS Sonoma, an operating system often hailed as the artist's palette, meticulously crafted for seamless integration and creative pursuits. Our digital office worker, now resembling a precision architect, leverages macOS for its intuitive design and exceptional performance with media-centric applications. The Apple ecosystem is its greatest strength, ensuring harmonious communication between devices, making transitions from Mac to iPhone as fluid as water. Its Unix-based foundation provides robust security and stability, reassuring users that their digital canvas remains pristine. This synergy of hardware and software optimization creates an environment where creative endeavors can truly flourish without interruption. Now let's scrutinize how each operating system empowers our digital office workers' daily grind. Focusing on productivity tools and user interface philosophy, Windows 11 introduces a revamped Start menu and Snap layouts, aiming to be a multitasking maestro, allowing for complex window arrangements with ease, much like a skilled conductor orchestrating an orchestra. In contrast, macOS Sonoma refines its stage manager, providing a more focused, uncluttered approach to window management, akin to a minimalist designer arranging elements for maximum impact. Each system offers distinct advantages, catering to different work styles, one emphasizing breadth of control, the other promoting concentrated flow. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to optimizing your personal workflow. Delving deeper, we examine the performance and efficiency of these operating systems, a crucial factor for sustained productivity. macOS Sonoma, especially on Apple Silicon, operates like a finely tuned sports car, optimizing hardware and software to deliver exceptional speed and power efficiency, making demanding tasks feel effortlessly smooth. Windows 11, while requiring more diverse hardware, acts like a robust utility vehicle, capable of running a vast array of applications, albeit sometimes with greater resource consumption depending on the system's specifications. Our digital office worker experiences this directly, noting how fast startup times and smooth application switching contribute significantly to an uninterrupted workflow, minimizing frustrating delays. The underlying architecture dictates how gracefully each system handles heavy loads. Our exploration now shifts to the critical aspects of security and ecosystem integration, which profoundly shape the user experience. macOS Sonoma, with its tightly controlled ecosystem, acts like a fortified castle, offering robust, integrated security features and a curated app store, providing a sense of impenetrable safety for our digital office worker. Conversely, Windows 11 operates more like a vibrant, bustling city, open and expansive, offering immense freedom and choice, but requiring the user to be more vigilant with their digital defenses. This openness means greater flexibility for specialized software, but necessitates a proactive approach to security. The choice often boils down to a preference for either guarded simplicity or open adaptability, each with its own merits and considerations for data protection. After dissecting their core strengths and nuances, it becomes clear that the ultimate choice between Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma hinges on personal preference and specific workflow demands. Our digital office worker, having meticulously weighed the evidence, recognizes that there's no single superior operating system, but rather one that aligns best with individual priorities. If your work involves extensive software compatibility, gaming, or specific hardware needs, Windows 11 might be your steadfast ally. However, if seamless integration, a premium creative experience, and a streamlined interface are paramount, macOS Sonoma could be your trusted companion. Both systems are powerful, but their philosophies cater to different digital citizens. As we peer into the horizon, both Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma are continually evolving, integrating advanced features like AI to enhance user experience and productivity. Windows, with its Copilot, aims to be an omnipresent digital assistant, proactively helping our digital office worker navigate tasks and information, much like a seasoned co-pilot. macOS, while perhaps more subtle, is weaving AI into its core functionalities for smarter photo management, predictive text, and enhanced search capabilities, acting as an invisible hand guiding efficiency. These ongoing innovations suggest a future where operating systems are not just tools but intelligent partners, continually learning and adapting to our working styles. Staying updated on these advancements is crucial for leveraging their full potential. Beyond the technical specifications, mastering the language used to discuss these operating systems is an invaluable skill. Our journey through Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma has been an exercise in building your tech English vocabulary, transforming complex concepts into understandable insights. Think of it as learning the intricate dance of digital terminology, where terms like ecosystem, snap layouts, and stage manager become familiar tools in your communication arsenal. By engaging with these comparisons, you're not just choosing an OS. You're equipping yourself with the linguistic fluency to articulate your tech preferences and troubleshoot issues confidently. This step-by-step learning approach empowers you to navigate the tech world with precision and clarity. In conclusion, both Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma stand as titans in the operating system arena, each offering a distinct path to productivity and creativity. Your choice, much like selecting the right lens for a photograph, will ultimately shape your digital perspective and workflow. Remember, the best OS is the one that empowers you most effectively, transforming challenges into opportunities. Continue to build your tech English step by step with us, as we simplify the intricate world of technology for smart learning. If this deep dive helped clarify your choices and enriched your vocabulary, do subscribe for more insightful comparisons and productivity hacks.